Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets at once. Open your Google Sheets file. Then, select the number of rows you want to add. When you do so, right-click on the selection. There you can add rows above or below as needed using Insert option. The amount depends on the selected rows. You can see that amount of rows added in Google Sheets. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.